Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, a founding attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today, I want to talk to you about what you do when a loved one passes away when you're under quarantine. Obviously, the coronavirus crisis is not something that anyone really could have predicted, and we're in a situation where a lot of people are dealing with a situation where maybe a loved one passes away, even unrelated to the coronavirus, but now they've got to figure out how to gather their assets, move their bank account, and do all of that when businesses are closed and no one's supposed to be going out. So what do you do? How do you handle that? And what are your next steps? When someone passes away, the standard process is to probate their will, or if they don't have a will, still often to probate their estate and gather in their assets, pay their debts and liabilities, and then distribute the funds. All of that can still happen even with the closing of businesses, even with the courts being temporarily closed. There are several important steps you'll need to take. One will be, first, assessing whether an estate needs to be opened. In many cases, if you have a small bank account or you have other assets that were properly titled, your loved one may have set it up such that you don't need to probate at all. So the first step is discussing with a probate attorney, an estate administration attorney, whether you need to open an estate. The second step in that process is then to get the permission from the court to open the estate. We're still waiting on guidance from some of the county registers of wills, but we expect that they're going to make some openings so that we can do probate process even without bringing people physically down to the courthouse. So there's no need for you to wait to figure those things out. Right now is an important time, even if you're grieving, to get this process started. There are a lot of tax benefits to getting it done early, and there are a lot of reasons why working on that right now can be helpful. So this video isn't meant to be legal advice. It's just meant to give you some things to think about. But if you have questions, if a loved one has passed away in Pennsylvania, give us a call at Cornerstone Law Firm. We'll be happy to discuss what we can do to help you through this time.